Hello, beginners. Cuban Salsa Steps course. This will be the last class of our course, the last step for beginners. Then we'll move on to intermediate classes and we'll do also a bachata course. So if you would like to go through bachata basic steps the same way as you are going through now salsa steps, we'll do that for you as well. This will be the last step, but it will be not the last class of this series. We'll do one more class in which we'll dance one full song in which we'll combine all steps from class 1 till this one. Okay, let's carry on. Step in this class is called Quick 5. It's quite a demanding step. It's faster than all other steps that we've done so far. We are starting with 3 steps of basic front and back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And from here, I continue with the right leg and I do 5 quick steps. We are swapping feet one by one, right, left, right, left, right. I start with the right, it's crossing back. Left goes to the side. Right opens. I'm closing with left and crossing right in front. And then carry on with basic forward. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now, the trick about this step is the tempo. First 3 steps are slow, then another 5 are quick, and then we come back to slow tempo again. 5, 6, 7, forward. 1, 2, 3, we go. 5 and 6 and 7, wait. 1, 2, wait. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 3, right, left, right, left, right. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, the 5 steps, they look like quite normal tempo, but then the basic seems very, very slow. Now the whole point is to make basic in real tempo, and then the fast part will be demanding. Let's try to do that. 5, 6, a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, we go. 5 and 6 and 7. Again, go and cross and cha 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 and forward. 1, 2, 3. Wait, let's go quick. 5, 1, 2, go. Cha 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 and front, cheeky chick. And back, cheeky, quick, 5, 1, 2, go, cha, 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 and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, tempo, quick, 5, go, cha, 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 and 1, 2, 3, one more time, and 1, 2, hop, cha, 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 and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Yes, so it gets quite complicated when we speed it up. 2 quick words of advice. Number 1. When you're counting for yourself, when you're learning how to count, when you're learning how to dance to the rhythm, very good habit is not to count with numbers. Because if I counted with numbers, this part, it would work like this. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3. And then, this is quite difficult when you speed it up. I can try to dance fast and still count it with numbers. This will be quite crazy. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6 and 7. 1. Difficult to count this way. So instead, I'm replacing the count with a song. So for example, 1, 2, 3, cha 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 cha. 1, 2, 3, cha 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 cha. And so I have this rhythm in it, and I don't have to count anymore. So let's try 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, cha 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 cha. And 1, 2, nothing, hop, let's go. 1, 2, go, and cha 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 cha. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And every time when you are learning new footwork, when you are even creating one by yourself and you are using irregular rhythm, using songs is a very good idea. This is thing number 1. Thing number 2, when we do quick 5, we cannot let our body to fly away. You have to keep your core more or less in one position and let legs do the work. So 5, 6, look at our upper body. 1, 2, hop, king, 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 kum. Very solid position. 5, 6, the same. 1, 2, hop, king, 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 kum, and 1. Another thing is, we taught you that arms are moving the same direction as your feet. But in quick 5, we don't do ting, 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 tung. That would be quite weird. I mean, maybe some people will like it. Be my guest if you want to practice. But instead, we are just swinging our arms both directions, a bit with direction of movement this time. So 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, kum, 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 pa. And 1, 2, 3. And last time, hop. 1, 2, hop. Ting, 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 pa. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. We'll do the same with music. I'll use slow tempo. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Forward 1. 6, 7, 1. Quick 5, 1. Ku, 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 pa. Quick 5. Hop. 2, 2, 2, 2, pa. One more time. Quick 5. Hop. 2, 2, 2, 2, pa. 1. 6, 7, and 1. Quick 5 and 1. 2, 2, 2, 2, pa, and 1. Left turn. Hop. Double right. Hop. Now something tricky. Right turn, quick 5. 1. Hop. 2, 2, 2, 2, pa. Basic side. King, king, pa, ka, ki, kim. Left turn, right turn. 1. 1. 6, 7, and 1. And front and back. 1. Right turn, hop. And chufla. 5, back. Hook turn. And front. Hop. Exibela crossing, side and cross. Tick. And kum. And front. Mambo cubano. 6, 7, and pa, pa. 3, 2, 1, hop. Mambo cubano. Hop and kum, 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 and 1. Right turn. 6, 7, and cross and slide. 5, 6, 7. Rumba basic. Rumba feels very slow with this music. 1 and front salsa. 1 charanga, side and clap and hop. Front. Right turn. Tapping on 8. Boom, 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 boom. Cross front and back, just cross. Chick, chick, pa. Chick, chick, pa, chick, chick, pa, chick, chick, pa, chick, chick, pa in front. 5, 6, 7, and 1. And left turn. I think we went through more or less all steps that we taught you during this course. We'll do one more video in which we'll combine all of them. So, thanks for watching. See you next time in the next video. If you like to watch it and you haven't subscribed yet, remember to press the subscribe button. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. You can put the thumb up as well for this video. And you can become a patron of our channel if you would like. All the links in the description below and lots other videos on our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.